Good morning, everyone. So today we'll cover one of the topic, migration. Okay. So in the last, if you see the PYQs of the geology optional, though, so you will see the topic of migration. Okay, migration in the question has been came already, migration in the fishes and the birds. Fishes migration has been asked so many times frequently, right? And birds also has been asked. So today we'll talk about the migration in birds. First of all, suppose that this question will come into examination. How will you start of the topic? Okay, so most of the time I have seen, because I have signing the some of the papers, so I've seen the people are students are not focusing much on the introduction part and the conclusion part. While this is not a good strategy or two way to write the answer, you have to have write a good introduction with a good body content and then the conclusion. Okay, so simply in the introduction part, okay, you can start about the migration. You can simply define the migration. What is migration? Like movement of organisms from one area to another area, or to one location from the another location due to various region. Okay, you can simply, a good definition should be a migration in the introduction. Then when you start off the body part, है ना, if the question, it also depends the number of, like the marking of the question. If the question is suppose that 50 marker, है ना, so you have to have write the factors also. But if the question is just 10 markers only, you can simply write the due to various factors such as this. Okay, so suppose that if we are talking about the 50 marker question, so the first part you can write or simply represent like factors of migration or the reasons of migration. Okay, there are so many reasons of migration. You can simply present it like that, like food, है ना, gonadal changes, gonadal changes, escaping, escaping the harsh environment, escaping the harsh environment. Okay, breeding purpose, breeding purpose. Okay, so there are so many factors which are the reason of the migration. Okay, so next we start talking about the migration occurs on the basis of so many things, है ना. So first suppose that 10 marker या 15 marker का 2.2 basis classification are much more than enough. Okay, so the first is on the basis of, on the basis of direction, on the basis of direction. Okay, so here it is mainly three types: latitudinal, latitudinal, longitudinal, longitudinal, and altitudinal, and altitudinal. Okay, so suppose that if we okay, then start writing about the a point, your latitudinal. Latitudinal migration is simply occurs, I'm not explaining, I'm just giving the concept only. Okay, it occurs from north to south, from north to south direction, direction, and vice versa, or south to north also, है ना, and vice versa. Yes, this is a latitudinal, this is not the longitudinal. Don't get confused here. Okay, so suppose that if we're talking about example, wagtail cuckoo, wagtail cuckoo, your simple quail. Okay, wagtail cuckoos. And next is your Arctic terns. These are the champions of the migration. Arctic terns, they come seriously, they come from the Arctic areas to your south areas. Okay, they are simply north to south areas. The second is your longitudinal. The second is your longitudinal migration. These are simply from, these are simply from, they migrate, है ना, from migrate from east to west direction, east to west direction. एग्जाम्पल, इसके एग्जाम्पल क्या है? स्पार्लिंग, स्टारलिंग, starlings, है ना. Then your California gulls, then your California gulls. Why they move? You have already explained that why they move. Suppose that they simply the longitudinal they both the longitudinal and the latitudinal migration जो भी होता है, they cover large distances, है ना. Both they cover large or long distances, long distances. Suppose that one of the species of your cuckoo generally lives in the your India, okay, but they goes to breeding for the breeding purpose, they goes to east or the west, east, some East African countries, okay. So they generally cover the large distances. That's why when Arctic tern known as a champion of migration, champion of migration, they literally cover very large distances, okay. They cover generally large distances. Next is your altitudinal. Next is your altitudinal. Altitudinal, the simple meaning is this: altitudinal migration. As we have covered here, the longitudinal में sorry, longitudinal में आपकी कहां पर है? longitudinal में आपकी north to south है, latitudinal में your east to west, and then altitudinal is your from mountainous region, from mountainous region, or like you can say hills or top points, to normal plains, to normal plains. Why they come? You can also explain. I'm just explaining the concept why they come from the mountains region to the plain region, specifically generally for the feeding habit or the in search of food, right, in search of food, or simply they also the altitudinal migration also occur in the diurnal, the next step when we talk about the on the basis of the time period. So then we talk about the diurnal, okay. So these kind of birds in single day, suppose like suppose that if you are talking about this thing, you know, longitudinal and the latitudinal, they generally move like suppose that some of the months they are experiencing in the Arctic region, है ना, when there is a harsh winter. So what they do, they just come to your south countries where the winter, or to just avoid that harsh winter condition, they just come down in some of the months as the temperature changes according to our earth, है ना. So they just move, so they cover or they migrate for the longer duration of period, है ना. It is not like कि okay they are not moving on the daily basis, okay. Latitudinal or longitudinal cover जो होती है, they are not your daily basis, okay. But altitudinal it can be on the daily basis. जैसे कि there is a concept of temperature inversion, right, that occurs on the daily basis, generally on the daily basis, ठीक है. golden wings एक आपकी वर्ड होती है, एग्जाम्पल आपका golden wings, golden wings bird, okay. Next on the basis of this is your C, sorry. Next on the basis of direction, sorry, time period. Direction so we have already mentioned. On the basis of time period, okay. So this can be divided into different basis. एक तो आपका हो गया सिंपल डे टाइमिंग, है ना. डे टाइमिंग में एक आपकी हो गई नॉक्टर्नल, एक तो आपका ये बेसिस है ना. एक तो आपको हो गई आपकी नॉक्टर्नल, और आपका सेकंड जो बेसिस है आपका सिंपल डे टाइमिंग में आपकी नॉर्मल बर्ड्स है. यू कैन सिंपली राइट कि these kind of birds go from one area to another area in search of food or breeding or for the breeding purpose, है ना, on the daily basis, on mainly in the day timing or in the sunlight. You can say simply say there are so many birds like sparrow is one of the example, है ना. Nocturnal is those birds which are generally habitual, other nocturnal which have generally nocturnal habits. Suppose that your owl, bats we do not consider as a bird, so we cannot mention, but owl mostly क्या होता है आपकी nocturnal habitat होता है. So this is the one thing. Then is your seasonal basis, daily basis and irregular basis, ओके. सीजनल में आपका सिंपल आता है आपका समर्स में एंड विंटर्स में, है ना. समर्स एंड विंटर में आपकी अलग अलग आती है. समर्स तो आपकी सिंपल है कुकू, और विंटर में आपकी है ग्रे पिजन, विंटर में आपकी है ग्रे पिजन। डेली पिजन में आपकी डेली जो हाउस होल्ड वाली जो आप हम लोग सिंपल बहुत सारी बर्ड्स देखते हैं डेली बेसिस में आपकी सिंपल आती है स्पैरो, है ना, स्पैरोस। इरेगुलर बेसिस में आपकी, irregular basis is not very class of defined, they just generally move from one area to another area on the basis of okay whatever the changes will be, okay ठीक है, this is much for the migration in the birds. Thank you.